Hello everyone, this is Trikla from Global Sport Organization. We are doing an event called Music for Good. It's happening in Gurjara Kalakshetram in Vizag. The event date is on the 27th of February this year, and the event will start from 6 p.m. onwards. We would like to invite you, your friends and everybody who belongs to you. And the reason why we are doing this particular event is because we wanted to actually adopt an orphanage which is in Hyderabad. It's called Vatsalyam. They are actually struggling to pay the bills, especially the building rent, school fees of the children, basically their groceries, miscellaneous expenses and stuff like that. So we thought we will actually support them, and we actually didn't want to actually ask money in straight to anybody. So that's the reason we wanted people to feel there is a value for money. So we organized this event called Music for Good, so that you get entertainment as well. At the same time you can come and enjoy good time out there, and whatever you're spending, it is going for a good reason. And at the moment we are struggling to go ahead because we want sponsors. If you would like to actually help us being a sponsor, that would be great. And if you would like to even be a volunteer who can sell us the tickets for the show, that would be great as well. And what else, if you would like to actually do any of it, please contact us. Our contact numbers are 91601 77505, or you can also call us on 94406 95055. And I'll tell you my mobile number, which I always tend to forget. 1 second. My number is 84660 and you can also email us on tchenna@gsoworld.org. All these telephone numbers and email address I'm going to put a slide just at the end of the video so that you can have a look. And we want you to support this cause, because it's a divine cause. Helping small children and protecting their future is something that everybody would want to do. So I think please see this as an opportunity, because giving is important. I know when we get a gift or something like that, we feel good, but believe me, when you give out a gift to someone also, it makes you feel good, because a smile can make a lot of difference. And I hope you all will take the opportunity to bring a smile on a child's face. Thank you very much, and have a beautiful day.